Introducing Glassnost, not just a screen protector, but the definition of premium protection for your machine. Engineered for clarity, crafted for durability, this tempered glass elevates both form and function. Start by thoroughly cleaning the screen with the alcohol wipe provided. This removes every trace of dust, fingerprints, and grime. Dry it down with the microfiber cloth, making sure the surface is spotless and streak-free. Now, carefully use the dust removal sticker to lift away even the tiniest particles. This step is key to a flawless finish. Peel the backing from your Glassnost screen protector. Now, here's something that sets Glassnost apart. It comes with flaps on both sides of the glass. Use these side flaps to hold and position the glass without ever touching the adhesive. While placing, align it to the center of your KTM display, leaving a 1 to 2 millimeter gap around the edges. This tiny detail ensures perfect positioning and allows air to release smoothly for a bubble-free bond. Let the glass gently settle into place. Press from the center outward, allowing it to adhere naturally. Use the squeegee to remove any lingering bubbles, though chances are you won't find many. Finally, peel off the outer protective layer. And there it is, a sleek, seamless shield. Glassnost, where precision meets protection, designed for riders who take pride in every detail. Elevate your ride, ride with Glassnost.